Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you common error, the word accept. So you can say the grammatical mistake. So common error and grammatical mistake are just like the same. So the word accept. So the first I'm giving here three examples. The first one, the company will not accept to buy a new machine. So this here, this sentence, you can see, I use the accept. The company will not accept to buy new machines. So this is the incorrect. This is the grammatical common error. This is a grammatical mistake. The right answer is the company will not agree. This is the correct answer. So when you use agree and when you use accept, you accept someone's advice, opinion or suggestion, but you use agree to say you or you're willing to do something. Okay, the accept 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 when you someone's advice, you accept someone's advice, opinion or suggestion. But you agree, the word agree, you should use the word agree. Say you're willing to do something. Say you're willing to do something. So this is correct because the company will not agree to buy new machines. This one is okay. Is it correct? Because this is not an opinion. It is say company is willing to do something. The second example is the driver didn't accept me to get on the bus. Here you can see I use the word accept. The driver didn't accept me to get on the bus. The correct answer is the driver didn't allow me. Here the accept is correct. This is a grammatical error. The driver didn't accept me. No, this is not a grammatical mistake. The driver didn't allow me to get on the bus. Okay, so and the third and last one, we can't accept a motorway to be built through our town. Okay, so we can't this word accept, here the word accept is common error, grammatical mistake. It is a common error, not a grammatical mistake. It is a common error. It's a common error. Grammatical, you can say the common error and grammatical are not the same meaning. The common error, the error, it is not a grammatical mistake, but it is a common error. This is the error. Accept. Don't use the accept here. So we can't allow a motorway to be built through our town. This is correct. this is correct. Didn't. So the main logic is you allow or permit something to do, someone to do something. Allow or permit, or you can use the let. Allow or permit or let them. You can use the let them to do something. Someone to do something. So always allow, permit, let to do something. As an example, many parents don't let their children watch violent videos. So you can see the many parents don't allow or don't permit their children watch violent movies or violent films. So many parents don't allow or permit their children to watch a violent film. You can say the another way. So here we gave the common error about the word except. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.